Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to enable Dolby Atmos on Amazon Music. In this guide you will learn how to navigate through the Amazon Music interface to adjust your audio settings and upgrade your listening experience to HD or Ultra HD quality. To begin, open your preferred web browser and visit the Amazon Music website by entering music.amazon.com in the address bar. When the website loads, take a moment to explore the home page, as the user interface is designed for easy navigation and quick access to your favorite music. This initial step is essential because it sets the stage for making adjustments to your audio experience. Once the Amazon Music page is fully loaded, locate the profile icon that is typically displayed prominently on the screen. The profile icon represents your account and is the gateway to a variety of personalized settings. When you click on this icon, it will reveal a menu with several account-related options. This is a crucial step as it allows you to access the settings where you can tailor your audio experience to your personal preferences. After you have clicked on your profile icon, your next task is to find and click on the audio quality option. This option is usually available in the drop-down menu and is clearly labeled for users prioritizing sound quality. By selecting audio quality, you are moving into the sound settings of the application where you have a direct influence on how your music is streamed. The final step in this process is to change your audio quality settings. Within the audio settings section, you will see a range of quality options listed. Look for the option that allows you to select between high definition and ultra high definition streaming. Choose the HD or Ultra HD setting if available, because these settings are optimized for Dolby Atmos playback on Amazon Music. This upgrade from standard streaming quality means you will enjoy a more immersive and detailed audio experience that leverages the advanced capabilities of Dolby Atmos. After changing the setting, the adjustment should take effect immediately. You may want to start playing a favorite track or album to confirm that your new audio quality settings are active. Enjoy the enhanced sound clarity and spatial effects that come with Dolby Atmos. The improved audio will provide a cinematic feel to your music listening experience and is ideal for both casual listeners and audiophiles alike. This guide has walked you through accessing the Amazon Music website, navigating to your profile settings, and upgrading your audio quality to HD or Ultra HD for Dolby Atmos playback. Following these instructions will ensure that you can enjoy a richer, more detailed listening experience every time you tune into your music. Enjoy your enhanced sound journey on Amazon Music.